In this video guide, learn to customize the collection points module effortlessly. Enable or disable, set up collection points, and optimize your shopping cart for efficient order management. After installing the module, navigate to the Modules and Extensions tabs. Locate collection points in the module list and click Edit for customization options. Toggle to enable the module. Separate collect and dispatch methods in the shopping cart. Click Update to save your configurations. Now, move to the Modules and Collection Points tabs. Create, edit, and delete collection points. Change statuses using the switch. Click Insert or Edit to access the Edit Collection Point page. Create or change the address. Select suitable collection points. Auto-relocate missing stock and send warehouse notifications. Disable order collection on specific days. Save your changes. Thank you for choosing the Collection Points module, a great tool for optimizing your order fulfillment process.